Mercedes has teamed up with Hollywood for an exciting crossover between the world of motorsport and cinema. As Brad Pitt's highly anticipated Formula One film gears up for release this June, Mercedes has unveiled a limited edition version of its AMG GT to commemorate the movie. But there's a twist. This special edition is inspired by a fictional Formula One team, APXGP, which exists only in the world of the film. The Mercedes AMG GT APXGP edition, as it's officially known, is a stunning tribute to the fictional team featured in Pitt's upcoming movie. Limited to just 52 units globally, this exclusive model is a must-have for collectors and motorsport enthusiasts alike. The sleek, black and gold livery is designed to mimic the team's car in the film, creating a truly unique and visually striking piece of automotive history. What sets this limited edition apart from the regular AMG GT is its standout design and performance features. The APXGP edition is based on the GT63 4MATIC Plus platform, making it no slouch when it comes to power. Under the hood, the car boasts a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that produces an impressive 585 horsepower. This ensures that the car is as much a performance machine as it is a collector's dream. But it's the visual elements that make this car truly special. The matte black exterior paint is complemented by gold accents throughout the design, giving it an unmistakable look. The grille is outlined in gold, standing out against the blacked-out front end, while gold stripes run along the sides, accentuating the car's sharp lines. The rear fenders and wheels are also decked out in gold, ensuring the car turns heads wherever it goes. In addition to the striking paint job, the APXGP edition comes equipped with an AMG exterior carbon fiber package and AMG aerodynamics package. The latter includes a fixed rear wing, enhancing both the car's visual appeal and its aerodynamic performance. To complete the look, Mercedes has added the AMG Night package too, incorporating even more black accents to give the car a menacing presence. Inside, the APXGP edition continues the theme of luxury and performance. The AMG Performance seats are adorned with gold stitching, and gold elements can be found throughout the cabin, including on the steering wheel, instrument panel, and center console. The car also features a Burmester 3D audio system with 15 speakers, providing a premium sound experience for its lucky owners. The cabin's ambient lighting further elevates the driving experience, ensuring that the APXGP edition offers as much visual appeal inside as it does outside. One of the most intriguing aspects of this special edition is its connection to the film. While the APXGP F1 team exists only in the world of the movie, Mercedes has played a significant role in its production. The automaker provided several vehicles for the film, including an SL, a G-Class, and, of course, the GT. Interestingly, Lewis Hamilton, the legendary Mercedes driver who recently switched to Ferrari, is also a co-producer of the film, adding a personal touch to this exciting collaboration. Although Mercedes hasn't yet revealed the pricing or availability of the APXGP edition, it's safe to assume that this limited run of 52 cars will be a highly coveted item. The film's release is just around the corner, and with such a small number of cars being produced, it's likely that all units will be spoken for before too long. If you're lucky enough to get your hands on one, you'll own a true piece of automotive and cinematic history.